In this video, I'll show you 2 different ways to hygienically wrap a tattoo machine with an adjustable stroke. First, the machine must be thoroughly cleaned with surface disinfectant. The front part of the grip is especially important. I press firmly and twist the machine back and forth in the well-moistened disinfectant wipe. As long as there are still visible marks on the paper towel, the machine isn't clean. For hygiene reasons, I actually recommend doing this cleaning process twice, once after working and once before, to ensure no contamination occurs. Repeat this process until the paper towel comes out clean. To wrap the machine, we first need cling film. I'm using a very small roll here. You could also use a standard one, but I personally find the small rolls much more convenient. Now I unscrew the grip. I fold the cling film in half to get an even narrower strip. Then I wrap it around the machine. This is what the intermediate step should look like. Now I screw the grip back onto the machine. This way, the needle can still be adjusted later. The battery also gets wrapped with cling film. This is where we switch the machine on and off and adjust the voltage. So this part of the machine also needs to be wrapped hygienically. After all, we touch it with contaminated gloves while working. The stroke can still be easily adjusted. Now I use a small piece of tape. I remember the position of the dot marking the stroke setting, in my case 4.2 millimeters. Right along the edge where you adjust the stroke, I apply the tape. This is what it looks like. Now I need a skin marker. I make a dot where the marking should be. The opposite side also needs tape, so the machine is fully covered and can't get contaminated. Now I can label this side with my marker as well. 4.2 gets an L for lining. 3.9 gets a P for packing. 3.3 gets an S for shading. Of course, you can label all your settings. I only mark the ones I actually use. The top edge of the grip should be completely covered. I make sure no metal of the machine is visible and everything is taped over. Everything can still be adjusted. Now for the most important part, the front area of the grip is a bit trickier, but I'll show you exactly how it's done. I wrap tape over the edge and leave a little bit overhanging. Then I use scissors to make small cuts into the tape. This is what it should look like. When you fold the tape down, it should extend at least over the inner edge. Since I've done this countless times, I hit the edge perfectly. Once everything is folded down, it looks like this. In the middle of the grip, I add extra tape to cover any areas that aren't yet wrapped. To make things more comfortable, I add some grip tape for better hold. Some tattoo artists wrap almost an entire roll around the grip. I prefer a thinner layer. This is what a perfectly wrapped tattoo machine looks like, allowing hygienic work while still being able to use all the machine's functions. The modes for lining, packing, and shading are clearly visible and easy to adjust. The needle hang can also still be easily modified. I know it seems a bit time-consuming, but for comfort while working, I think it's totally worth the 5 to 10 minutes. However, if I'm only doing a small tattoo where I still want to adjust the stroke and needle hang, there's a simpler method. For that, I cut a small piece from a clipcord sleeve. I use that to wrap the entire machine. I secure the clipcord sleeve to the grip with tape. To avoid contamination at the front, I let the tape overhang the edge here too. I then cut slits into the overhanging tape with scissors so I can fold it over the edge. It takes some practice to judge how much tape needs to stick out. The green part that's still visible will be covered later by the cartridge. At the back, I also taped the clipcord sleeve and cut off the excess. Everything is still adjustable. Not quite as easily as with the first technique, but it works. A bit of grip tape is a must for me. Once the cartridge is in place, no contamination is possible. For longer tattoo sessions, I prefer the first method, but if I'm in a hurry, the second method is totally fine. You'll find my tattoo equipment in the video description. Use the code fanitattoo to save 10%. If this helped you out, I'd appreciate a like and a free subscription. And if you want to know which tattoo machine I'm currently using, check out this video here.